Prepare for a financial revolution as XRP is on a meteoric rise that could see it hit $1,650 to $2,900 by the end of 2024. This isn't simply hyperbolic rhetoric, it's based on a big development, the upcoming release of an XRP ETF. Imagine that BlackRock, the financial behemoth that launched a profitable Bitcoin ETF, is now focusing on XRP. Their track record is impressive, as almost all of their ETF proposals have been approved. The entry of BlackRock into XRP is revolutionary. There's more, though. In addition to BlackRock, Grayscale is also creating ripples in the industry. They have included XRP in their cryptocurrency portfolio in addition to proposing an XRP ETF. This demonstrates how XRP and Ripple Labs are becoming more and more significant in the world of international trade. Let's briefly catch up before getting into the main topic of today's article. Please do me a favor and join our incredible community by clicking the like button, subscribe, and ringing the notification bell. Let's now explore the fascinating realm of XRP and discover what's fresh as of right now. Examining the data in greater detail reveals that BlackRock has an almost perfect reputation for ETF approval. BlackRock is the world leader in asset management, and its foray into Web 3.0 and cryptocurrencies marks a significant change in how the traditional finance industry views digital currencies. Their exceptional proficiency in handling the financial sector is demonstrated by their almost flawless approval record for ETFs. Recall that BlackRock is an unstoppable force in the ETF market, with an astounding 99.8% ETF approval rate. Here, it's important to see the big picture. Not only have big financial firms like JP Morgan and BlackRock been interested in XRP, but they have also been actively collecting it. These titans have reportedly put more than 7.5% of their entire wealth into XRP, according to reports and a leaked document. A recent, carefully researched piece even suggested that BlackRock would completely switch its emphasis from Bitcoin to XRP, indicating a substantial change in their approach to investing. This action shows that interest in XRP is rising, which increases the likelihood that BlackRock will support an XRP ETF. This is where it becomes even more fascinating, though. The existence of an XRP ETP is a recent development in the XRP story. Although its inventor is still unknown, this ETP's existence is a crucial first step toward becoming an ETF. According to reports, even though the XRP ETP has been launched, it is currently in the pre-release stage, valued at $0, and will soon be unveiled. There's more. There are rumors that an XRP ETF will launch concurrently with the ETP, coinciding with the ETF's debut. In addition to being logical, this concurrent release highlights the ETF's quick development, possibly coming just weeks after the debut of a Bitcoin ETF. The potential for XRP is enormous when we examine this, particularly in light of Bitcoin's rise to $43,000 even prior to the debut of its ETF. We're discussing the potential for XRP's value to rise to $1,650 or perhaps $2,500 if its ETF is released to the market. Alright, pay attention, because this isn't as crazy as it may seem. An XRP ETF will be available in a few weeks, as the XRP ETP has already started. Many are unaware that Fidelity, a behemoth in the financial industry, has formally introduced the exchange-traded product for XRP. This translates into a quick step toward the introduction of an XRP ETF, which is soon to be approved by the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission. Indeed, we just talked about a recently released article yesterday. An XRP ETF may be on the horizon, according to a research that was released by none other than BlackRock. This leak suggested that XRP would soon be filed as an ETF. This excitement was heightened when a leading BlackRock analyst confirmed in a public announcement that a BlackRock ETF tailored to XRP would be launched. They even mentioned the iShares XRP Trust in connection with their ETF application. I checked this myself after being dubious at first, and sure enough, it's mentioned on the website of the Delaware list of corporations. This trend is revolutionary and demonstrates how near we are to witnessing a profound change in the market presence of XRP, which could resemble or even outperform the fluctuations observed in the Bitcoin ETF. Recent studies have shown a noteworthy advancement in the realm of cryptocurrency. More than 7.5 million XRP have been purchased by BlackRock and JP Morgan, demonstrating institutional interest in cryptocurrencies. In addition to hoarding XRP, BlackRock is spearheading the movement by utilizing the XRP ledger in their business processes and, most significantly, by advancing the public launch of an XRP ETF. The XRP ETF has a very strong chance of being approved given BlackRock's nearly faultless record of ETF approval. It is impossible to overestimate the influence of an XRP ETF on its value. This is why, despite its apparent ambition, a target price of $9,831 for XRP begins to make sense when you take into account all the important events that are imminent. Consider it. Given the astounding numbers, XRP is positioned to play a significant role in managing international debt transfers. Potentially, between $1.80 and $1.30 quadrillion will move via the XRP ledger, mostly due to the ISDA. In addition, the Republic of Palau is creating its central bank digital currency on the XRP ledger, and the BRICS countries, including Saudi Arabia, are also incorporating the XRP ledger into their systems. This scenario logically suggests a soaring value per XRP currency because it presents a classic case of high volume, high demand, and limited availability. This is a topic that has been very popular recently. Some people believe that my optimism regarding XRP is merely a fantasy. Well, perhaps they're right. Here's what I say, though. Embracing this hopium is my main goal. I'm taking a deep breath, lighting it up, and rolling it up into a giant one. It's some strong stuff. I firmly think that there is hope. It's a lifeline, particularly when you're hanging on throughout difficult times. It's quite okay if you don't believe in hope and consider it to be wishful thinking. However, I don't think that's a drawback. Let's encourage one another. My motto is that we're not about tossing tokens into a void, and anything less seems like that. Our goal is to remain optimistic. Speaking of optimism, I'm enjoying all of your stimulating discussions and opposing viewpoints. It truly causes the brain to work. Regarding institutions and XRP, an intriguing point was brought up. They are not need to purchase XRP. Leasing is another choice. Isn't that a worthwhile idea to consider? So I had an interesting thought. What would happen if XRP was exclusively purchased by individual investors? I looked into this further and even questioned ChatGPT about the SWIFT system's daily transaction volume. Over $7 trillion was the startling response. Additionally, keep in mind that this only includes foreign trade. It excludes the quadrillion-dollar derivatives market, smart contracts, NFTs, and tokenized assets like real estate. Now consider how XRP might be involved in each of these fields. However, let's focus only on international trade, which is the domain in which SWIFT functions. Let's guess as to what may occur if XRP, with its 1,700 connections, yes, Ripple and XRP have set a high bar here, had to handle only $3 trillion of that $7 trillion every day if we were to reduce it in half. That would imply that $3 trillion must be maintained by the system on that day. In this case, the price of XRP might rise to more than $1.50 per coin. Therefore, it is obvious that the value would increase. It makes sense to believe that some of these links will invest in XRP given its wide network. As we mentioned before, even if institutions decide to lease instead of purchase, once the system is operational, values may climb above $1.50, particularly if XRP controls even half of this market. We are discussing much over $1,100 per token if it includes all bank payments. Thus, pause, unwind with this idea, perhaps while sipping an adult beverage. Take a moment to consider the possibilities of this hopeful vision. We live in an exciting world with a plethora of amazing opportunities. Please keep in mind that I do not hold a financial advisor license. These videos' content is solely intended for viewing enjoyment. Before making any financial decisions, I always advise viewers to do their own research and speak with experts. Many thanks for listening. Please remember to hit the subscribe button and give the video a thumbs up if you liked it. Additionally, to be the first to know when I post new stuff, make sure you enable the alerts. I can't wait to see you again in the next video. Be careful.